How to fix TikTok no views problems. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to fix TikTok no views or views problem on TikTok, you can simply go ahead and solve it by following the simple steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and check if your account is shadow banned. If your videos consistently get 0 or 10 views, you might be shadow banned. So the reasons for shadow bans may be spamming, using copyright content, showing nudity or violence, or running fake giveaways. So in order to fix this, you need to stop posting for 3 to 7 days. And then after, delete the videos that break the TikTok's rules and guidelines, and don't post content without changing it significantly. And also make sure that your account is public. Your video's privacy setting must be set to everyone or not private or friends only. So for that, you need to go to your profile, tap on the three lines in the top, go to privacy and settings. Now tap on privacy, scroll down, and there you will see the option of private account in the top. Simply toggle the switch off. After this, your account will be set to everyone. And for the video or the post, tap on the three lines next to it, scroll down, and there you will see the option of privacy settings, and you will see the option of everyone, friends, and only you if your account is public. So go ahead and set it to everyone and you'll be done. Also improve your hashtags and captions. TikTok uses hashtags to show your content to people. So don't use banned or misleading hashtags like hashtag FYP or any other emojis. Also use hashtags that are popular and relevant. Create a short, clear caption even with just 2 to 3 words. For example, hashtag funny TikTok, hashtag relatable, etc. And also update the TikTok application. Old app versions can have glitches that can cause view count problems. So in order to fix this, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, search for TikTok application. And once you find it, and if you see an update button over there, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. And also use a strong Wi-Fi connection and re-upload the video with HD turned on. Sometimes TikTok delays view counts to review videos or because the system is slow. Just wait and your views might increase later. And try making a new account to test uploads and use a different device or reinstall TikTok or report the problem to TikTok. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.